Visit our website to find a variety of Fisher Workshop's printable PDF project patterns and acrylic trace templates. Select leather goods will be available for purchase starting this January of 2019. In this two-part video tutorial, learn how to make a messenger envelope bag with shoulder strap. A printable PDF pattern for this project can be downloaded at fisherworkshops.com. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified about our latest video releases. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. With a wing divider or stitch groover, mark a stitching line around the base of the D-ring loop. Bevel the edges with an edge beveler as illustrated. I want to dye my edges black before burnishing. Apply a little water or edge gum to the edges and burnish with a wood slicker. I'm going to heat a little hard wax and apply it to the edges for protection and shine. Buff to a shine with canvas or denim cloth. Apply a little contact cement to the flesh side of each loop and fix together with a D-ring. Set a rivet through each loop as illustrated. Using the template from fisherworkshops.com, I want to mark where the D-ring loops will be fixed to the main body. I want to roughen the surface of the marked area for the contact cement. Apply a thin layer of contact cement to the marked areas and fix the D-ring loops once the cement is almost set. Use a stitching chisel to punch stitching holes along the stitch lines we marked earlier. For this bag, I'm going to use unwaxed hemp thread. I'm applying beeswax to protect the thread and keep it from tangling while I stitch. Fix a harness needle to each end of the thread. Fix your project to a stitching pony and saddle stitch the loops to the body. To finish, lock stitch by back stitching over several holes, then cut off the excess thread. If you plan to add a leather lining, then trace out the pattern along the flesh side of the lining. Apply a thin layer of contact cement to the flesh side of the lining and main body and fix together after the glue begins to set. Cut off the excess leather along the edges of the main body. Temporarily fix the front pocket to the leather lining and cut off the excess leather around the cover. Using a template, mark where the button should be set. Now I'm going to remove the lining and cut an opening for the magnetic button. Apply contact cement and refix the lining to the cover. Mark a stitching line, punch stitching holes, and stitch the lining onto the cover as illustrated. Bevel and finish the edges. Carve a stitching groove about 5 mm away from the edge of the gusset along the grain side of the leather. Wet the edges of the leather as illustrated. Lay a ruler across the carved groove and use a bone creaser or spoon to lift the edges. Apply a little gum or backside finish to the front pocket body and burnish till smooth. Using my template, mark and fix the button to the front pocket body. To cover the backside of the button, fix a thin piece of leather over the button. Apply contact cement and fix the gusset to the front pocket body. Carefully cut off any excess leather. Mark a stitching line. I'm going to punch stitching holes with a hand stitching plier. For the corners, just mark where to punch holes and use a single prong stitch plier to punch this area. Stitch together as illustrated. Sand the edges until all the layers of the leather are perfectly even. Bevel and burnish to finish the edges. Apply contact cement to the front pocket lining and cover, punch stitching holes and fix to the bag's main body. Punch stitching holes again and stitch the cover and lining to the main body. Apply contact cement to the lining and gusset and fix the pocket to the main body. Punch stitching holes along the pocket and stitch to the bag's main body to finish this step.